Lingbird, language learning made easy. Welcome to this English listening practice. Today, you are at the airport. You will hear a conversation between a passenger and a check-in agent. The passenger wants to check in for his flight and drop off his suitcase. Listen carefully. After the conversation, there are 4 questions. Let's begin.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Toronto.
Great. Can I see your passport and booking reference, please?
Here's my passport. My booking reference is KLM 472.
Thank you. Let me find your booking. Yes, here it is. Mr. Daniel Foster, flight to Toronto. Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase to check in. I also have this small backpack.
Okay. Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Sure.
It weighs 24 kilos. I'm sorry, but the limit is 23. Your bag is 1 kilo overweight.
Oh, really? What can I do?
You can move something into your backpack, or you can pay a small fee.
Let me take out my jacket. Is it okay now?
Let me check. 22.5 kilos. That's perfect.
Great, thank you.
Now, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I like to look outside.
No problem. You have seat 15A by the window. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time does the plane board?
Boarding starts at 11:40 and your gate is B12. Please go through security on your left. Don't be late. The gate closes 20 minutes before departure.
Okay, security on the left, gate B12, boarding at 11:40. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Now, here are your questions. Listen again if you need to. Question 1. Where is Daniel flying to? Question 2. Why is there a problem with his suitcase at first? Question 3. How does he solve the problem? Question 4. Which seat does he choose and what is his gate number? You'll find the correct answers in the first comment below the video. Thank you for listening to this lesson. Your progress doesn't stop here. For even more confidence in your language skills, click on the next video or choose a playlist that matches your level. And of course, like and subscribe to stay up to date. Bye-bye.